Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and how to fix handset mic picking up to PC audio in Windows 10 and 11. This is for the all Windows 10 and 11. So guys, how to fix? First guys, click to start button, go to setting, system and scroll down, click to troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, sorry, click to other troubleshoot and scroll down, recording audio, click to run and wait some few minutes because it's detecting your issues. What is the issue right now? Okay, please wait for some minutes. I'm giving you some second steps. So what is the issue is exactly? Open, do not close this. Okay, and then second step, click to start button, right click to this PC and last show more, then click to manage. Then click to driver manager. Okay, audio, but wait, can't find any issues. Okay, so guys, click to right click to update and update automatically, close, again right click, and you can click also uninstall driver and also right click to uninstall driver, and then guys click to this button, scan to hardware changes, automatically detect. Okay, means your driver is reset atom by just this features. Okay, then close it. Now this is third options. Okay guys, click to start button and type CON, control panel, then hardware and sound, then click to sound, property, advanced. Okay, and sorry, in level, so full 100%, advance, so select both, allow applications and you also, then okay, okay, and then close. Third options, fourth solutions, again go to control panel, hardware and sound, and any other show, disable story max, so just disable it. Okay, any other show you can disable. Okay, yeah guys, you do this all step and then please check. Okay, thank you.